Hey everyone, Bigfoot here. So I'm moving house in 5 days, and that car there, which is quite often used for track building at Ultra4, is a bit broken. So last weekend we broke the front drag link at the tie rod, and it was decided then that we should probably just replace the whole lot because that car has copped a flogging. So I reached out, and Mick from Superior Engineering, absolute legend, has stepped up and thrown some goodies on the car. So I'm going to fit a brand new alloy link from their billet range, and maybe some new shocks, and I think that might help because I'll show you under the car. That isn't very good. So we've used this car as a rock breaker too. So I'm going to fit those, and then my rear lower control arms are getting a slight upgrade. How shiny and awesome are they? Anyway, I'm going to chuck this camera onto a bit of a time lapse so you can see me struggle and then swear at the car and then walk away and then come back and start fitting stuff, so enjoy. So for anyone who's wondering, if you run a Superior or GU patrol gear, then you know you're going to want to upgrade a bit, especially if you do the four-wheel driving that we do. But even if you've got a standard vehicle and you're looking at weight saving, check this out. So this is that's the factory one there. So stock standard, and it has absolutely no room for improvement because those ends are welded on. So if you break it, you've got to replace the whole thing. This is the Superior version, see? And it's shiny ends, but ends are replaceable, so nice and easy. Heavier duty, so they got the female style end instead of a male, which is what I broke on the old version. And I don't know if you noticed, but that is, you know, a couple of kilos. This weighs pretty much exactly the same, but it's even stronger. And because it's the 7075 alloy, apparently if you bend it, it will bend back into place, depending on how hard you bend it. But that means if you bend it on the trail while you're resting on a big rock, chances are you're going to drive home and you won't even know. So that is worthwhile checking out.
But you can't ignore your hearts with your ex, though I was beautiful and sweet. I'm your failed experiment, and
One very shiny looking drag link now installed. How good does that look? Now to move on to fitting the brand new damper.
it went down so fast, so surreal. Firing passionate kisses at me. Do I surrender, fight or flee? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rockstar boy. I never dreamed I'd be a one-night toy. Rockstar boy, baby boy. Slowly going out of my head, I'm going out of my mind. I don't wanna think about you. Don't wanna think about your raven hair. Don't wanna think about it flying everywhere. Don't wanna think about when you hit the lights. Don't wanna think about what we did that night.